Hi everyone and welcome to our course on creating character using Blender. In this demo video, I will give you a quick overview of what you can expect from this course. Our course consists of 18 lectures, each covering a specific aspect of character creation. There isn't any part skipped and no time lapse. And also it's completely step by step so everyone can follow. Now let's take a look at how it's done. In the course, we will first start from how to collect reference and plan ideas for your character. After that, we will jump into the Blender and start from a sphere to create the blockout or the basic structure for your character. We will first focus on the primary shapes and slowly we will get into details. After completing the character in Blender, we will jump into substance Blender for texturing. And in the last, we will be rigging and posing to make our character into the life. That's all for the demo video. I hope you found it useful and now are eager to start character modeling and journey of character creation using Blender. I'm giving you the first 3 lectures for free, so actually you can decide this course is for you or not. If yes, then don't forget to enroll to the course to start this journey and become pro at creating 3D characters. Thank you for watching and see you in the course.